Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a completely free method to remove objects from a photo instantly using a powerful AI tool. No Photoshop required and no application required as well. And you will also get the highest possible quality image as well. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and simply go to a website called Pixlr Remove Object Tool. Simply search that and open the first option right here. So it's a free browser-based AI editor that maintains full image quality while efficiently removing distractions as well. So Pixlr AI can remove areas naturally, and it also supports formats like JPEG, PNG, or WebP and more with no watermark and unlimited access as well. Now what you do is simply click on Open Remove Object Tool. Click on this option, then directly drag your image, or you can directly click on Open Image and choose the image manually. Now let me click on Apply. Now you can go with the original size of the image or you can choose your own size. It's totally up to you. Then click on Apply. Now, simply select the Remove Object tool. So what you do is go to the AI Tools section and choose Remove Object. Then you will have this highlight option right here. So firstly, in this particular image, there are two things that need to be removed. First, the ball itself, and second, the shadow of the ball. So the process takes a lot of time because if you have a slow system, it'll take a lot of time. So I've already done that. All you do is simply click and hold and make a circle around the ball or the object that you want to remove. And that will start the process of removing the object, which you can see right here. So simply wait for the ball to completely disappear, okay? As you can see, it is disappearing slowly. And as you can see, the ball has almost disappeared and now it's completely gone. And you can also see it copied the complete floor structure as well. Now you have to manually modify it a little bit. As you can see, the line isn't matching, so you have to do some things manually. Now let's remove the shadow. So simply, again, highlight the shadow area like this, and now simply wait for the shadow to be removed. So, depending on your computer speed, it might take some time. And once the object is removed, all you have to do is simply click on the Save option right here. And, as you can see, it is completely gone. And you can't even tell that there was a football here before. Now, click on the Save option and then choose the quality that you want. Add a name. Then, choose the format. So, let's say, for example, PNG or JPEG, depending on what you want. And then, scroll down and click on Save. And over here, you can save the image, okay? So, let's say, for example, to the desktop. And just like that, you will have your final image, okay? So you can open that image and take a look right here. So that's it. With this tool, you can remove any type of object with clean precision and with the highest image quality as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.